On Bonfire Night, when we gather round to light a big fire on the 23rd of June, with their fiddles and their flutes as they tap their hob-nail boots, the musicianers they play a lively tune. All the people gather round, and it's such a lovely sound as the laughter drifts on over Lockdown Lake. And the hilltops are ablaze, you can see them as you gaze. Round the countryside the stars begin to wake. On Bonfire Night it's such a lovely sight. They come from Mohill, Jamestown and Drumshanna. On Bonfire Night it's such a lovely sight to see them dancing at the cross in Effrinagh. With Declan in command, the two Johnnies lend a hand, and the child of Prague make sure the weather's fine. Through the hazy plumes of smoke, sure you might spot Petey Rourke, or hear a football tale from Pete Devine. If the hunger gets you down, John Gerald Reynolds will be round, with Cabundy and their Boxty in great store. And Dermot's lemonade will ensure the music's played till the fairies they are dancing on Sheemore. On Bonfire Night it's such a lovely sight. They come from Mohill, Jamestown and Drumshanna. On Bonfire Night it's such a lovely sight to see them dancing at the cross in Effrinagh. There'll be singers there, of course. Maybe Fred will bring the horse as the dancers on the barrel take a turn. All the children stay out late, cows come peeping through the gate. People chatter as they watch the fire burn. As Edwina leads the dance, even shy ones take a chance to move it like they did in Jimmy's hall. And you never know just who will drop in for a tune or two. They even travel down from Donegal. On Bonfire Night it's such a lovely sight. They come from Mohill, Jamestown and Drumshanna. On Bonfire Night it's such a lovely sight to see them dancing at the cross in Effrinagh. When the flames die away, it's tradition, so they say, to jump across the embers for good luck, or a pinch of ashes take on your meadows for to shake, to help your crops to keep a healthy stock. When it's time to say goodnight and the place is nice and quiet, it's then you might just hear one final tune. And as William quietly clears away all the debris, the only thing left dancing is the moon. On Bonfire Night it's such a lovely sight. They come from Mohill, Jamestown and Drumshanna. On Bonfire Night it's such a lovely sight to see them dancing at the cross in Effrinagh. On Bonfire Night it's such a lovely sight. They come from Mohill, Jamestown and Drumshanna. On Bonfire Night it's such a lovely sight to see them dancing at the cross in Effrinagh.